loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing a makeup tutorial for you all. In this makeup tutorial I am using the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collaboration, the Dream St palette, and this palette is absolutely beautiful. It comes with 12 shades there and they're all so different and so beautiful, and I used a mix of colors to achieve today's look. She also came out with 3 lippies in her collection and I used one of them today on my lips. And these colors are also really nice and sort of universal. I feel like this one is more for spring and summer, but the other ones you can use any time of the year. So let's get into it.
Hey there! So the first step when applying your makeup is to moisturize your skin. And I'm using the La Mer Moisturizing Soft Cream and I'm putting that all over my face and dragging it down my neck. And whichever moisturizer you use is fine as long as you moisturize and prep your skin for the makeup. And the reason why I take the moisturizer from my face down to my neck as well is that since your skin needs that moisture, if you just apply it to your face, then the skin on your neck won't look as moisturized as your face as you get older. Moving on to eye cream, I use this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye treatment and I'm applying it right under my eye as well as the side of my eye. Since I do tend to smile a lot, I do get a few wrinkles and a few lines right next to my eye. I also like to prep my lips, so I'm using this pur-lisse moisturizer and just leaving it on my lips while I work on the rest of my makeup. Taking my forever favorite MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Painterly Paint Pot, I'm applying that all over the lid of my eyes just to prep that area for the eyeshadow. Alright, for the star of the show, the Dream St palette. It is so beautiful, so unique. I am first going in with the Shooting Star shade. It is a very first shade, and I'm adding that all over the crease of my eye. So the crease of your eye is where your eyelid and the brown bone meets, so it's right in between those areas. Next up, I'm taking that shade called Potion. It is a beautiful burnt orange shade, and I'm adding that just under the crease of the eye, and I'm also blending it up towards the crease. So you always want to make sure you blend out the colors unless you're going for a very sharp look. Using a fluffy, clean brush, I'm just going over the eyeshadow so that it's perfectly blended. Now I'm taking the shadow called Elfish and I'm adding that with a small precise pencil brush into the crease of the eye. So that way it creates sort of like a shadow with the shadows, if you know what I mean. And I'm just going back and forth making sure that it's right on the crease of the eye. I don't want it to go too far up or too far down. Lastly, I'm taking that beautiful silver shade in the color Kaleidoscope and I'm adding that right on the lid of my eye. So as you can see, it does give you a nice color payoff, but I wanted something that stood out more. So I added just a few sprays of MAC's Fix Plus and then I dipped it right back into that pan and right on my lid, and it gave it that more beautiful silver color. For the eyeliner, I chose to use the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner, and I didn't create a wing, I just lined the top of my lashes. For mascara, I'm going in with this baby sample of the Diorshow mascara. It is a really nice mascara with a very fluffy brush. So if you're into fluffy brushes, I highly recommend it. I use the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes. They are my absolute favorites. For face primer, I'm going in with the Hourglass Veil Primer, adding that on my face and then smoothing it all out. brows, I'm going in with the Anastasia Duo in soft brown, and I'm using the lighter shade to fill in my brows. For foundation, I'm going in with the Hourglass Stick Foundation. I'm adding that on one side of my face and then buffing it out with a brush, and then doing the same with every section. And I absolutely love this foundation. It just feels so lightweight and so nice on the skin. It almost looks like I'm not wearing any foundation at all, and that's just how my skin looks. I love it. And of course, with any foundation, you want to make sure that you blend out the foundation down to your neck so that there are no harsh lines by your jawline to where the foundation ends and where your skin begins. For concealer, I'm going in with the Tarte ShapeTape in the color Fair, and I'm just adding that right under my eyes and blending it out with a beauty blender. Bronze up my face, I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer, adding that to the top of my forehead, my temples, and of course, my cheeks. Taking the Tarte Blush Palette, I'm using the shade Angelic, adding that onto my cheeks and then blending it back towards my hairline. Going back to finish my eyes, I'm using both Elfish and Potion and putting it right under my bottom lashes and blending that all out. Then I'm adding the Diorshow mascara again, but to my bottom lashes. To lock in all of my makeup, I'm using the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray, adding that all over my face, letting it dry. And now I'm going in with highlight, taking the SmashboxXCaseyHolmes collaboration, going in with the first two shades and adding that right on top of my cheekbones. For an inner corner highlight, I'm using the shade Sweet Dreams, and then moving on to lips, I'm using the more neutral shade in the whole collection called Dreamy, and I'm adding that all over my lips. This shade is so beautiful. It is a satin shade, so it doesn't dry completely, and it's more of a rosy brown color with a little bit of orange. And that's the completed look.
That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching the makeup tutorial. I hope you all learned a little something or learned a little bit more about this palette, and hopefully you get it in your collection. And if you do like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well. And you'd see a lot more videos that I have on my channel and a lot more that are coming up in the near future. That's it for this one. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!